So IPV has democratized the way startup investing has been approached and looked upon so far. The process is quite involved and engaged in the sense that we have a founder who comes and presents to us. All our questions are addressed by the founders. We as investors are, we give our feedback. That feedback is very well incorporated in the overall investment hypothesis building in terms of due diligence. Then we have another investment call wherein the due diligence findings are presented. We also, go through again a lot of industry experts who contribute their expertise on the startup. As part of the process, we understand how the competitive landscape is. There is a proper valuation report which is shared before the overall investment thesis is built. We are taken through the details of how investment has been arrived at, and then we get time to make a decision to invest in the startup. So clearly the IPV experience of investing in startup has been fantastic, to say the very least. So IPV is equally democratic in terms of exits. For example, the investors firstly decide whether they like to exit or not in a lot of startups. IPV tries and negotiates that you are not forced to exit, or let's say you have flexibility to do a part exit also. In some startups, of course, one has to take a full exit depending on what the deal on the other side of the table is. So clearly, it's a very interesting and an involved and engaging process on the exits. I think the team at the back end, supports you very well and handholds you very well in terms of various documents which are required to facilitate that exit. So that process is also quite seamless. Then, the whole fund transfer happens quite seamlessly as well. So I'd say in a nutshell, the overall exit experience with IPV has also been equally fantastic. I think the journey has been quite enriching, and I think, personally for me, most of my exits have been extremely good exits. So I would say that the valuation with IPV negotiates is also quite attractive, to say the very least.